So in this video I'm going to teach you how to get rid of a pink screen. So let's say if you got a cheap adapter type C to HDMI and then you connect it to your computer. So let's say your computer is like the VGA model, right? And then you are having the pink screen or like any situation here. So I did saw many posts on this and I did learn how to fix this. So firstly, most people will just like to restart their computer and see if it got fixed, and then they will try to restart the things. I forgot about those. So the solution I come with was to just use a software named BetterDisplay. So what this display do is that it will help you to get rid of that pink screen. So the pink screen could occur if you connect this main computer, let's say MacBook, to a secondary computer. It will show like the pink screen. So to fix that, so you will need to download this, yeah, and then you just need to move it to this application folder, and then you gotta start it. So for me this is for like the MacBook. But for you, what you could do is uh, there is like, I think, oh yes, you can only use this for MacBook. Yeah, so you need to download this and install it, and then after that you got to come up to the top bar and just click on this, and then you can get rid of it. So let's say we are in this mode, right, and we have a pink screen. Now I don't think you will be able to see the pink screen because I'm recording it. So yeah, I don't think, but all you just need to do is move it from this. So let's understand why the pink screen occurs. So the color transition to MacBook to a PC, what we do is use the YCBL, but usually our computer which have VGA in it and its old model, it uses RGB colors. So let's choose it. Now we will get rid of the pink screen, and that's it. Good luck.